Today we're going to be making this nursery name sign, so let's get to it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification button for my upcoming videos. So I first designed what I wanted it to look like on my Cricut software program. From there, I cut a stencil out of cardstock to trace. If you don't have a machine to cut out stencils, you can always print it out on paper and cut it out. I use this 1/4 inch MDF 2 feet by 2 feet board to trace my stencil onto. I then used a pencil and started tracing away. The size of the round base I traced out was 18 inches in diameter. My cat enjoys watching me craft, as you can see. After I had everything traced, I took it out to the scroll saw and cut out all pieces one by one. I wish I had a CNC machine to cut it all out for me, but there's something satisfying about doing it all yourself. Once I had everything cut out, I lightly sanded the edges with a nail file. And here were all the pieces cut out and sanded. I pieced it all together to make sure it looked good before I started to paint. I used a few different colors of spray paint for this project. This was the first time I had worked with MDF in a while, and I forgot that you had to seal it first before you paint, otherwise the paint will just absorb. So I went over everything with a clear spray paint. Much better. Here is everything all painted. Time to assemble and see how it looks. Once I had everything placed where I wanted it, I mixed up some epoxy glue and glued it all down. I felt like the edge needed a little something, and since it was a nautical theme, I went for some twine rope and glued it down using hot glue. And of course, I have to stencil my company name on the back. And finish it off with a hook. And here it is, all finished. I'm proud of this one, and I hope little baby Rowan and his parents will love it too. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for my upcoming videos, and leave a comment if you have any tips or tricks or any ideas for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!